The chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. I clean my place every day, but I don't have to clean that much because I maintain it. I keep it clean. A place for everything and everything in its place. My mama taught me that. Mama said, that's what mama said. Mama said, keep it clean. I look around me and there's wreckage and carnage all around me. There's garbage blowing everywhere. Not my garbage. Know why? Because I keep all of my garbage in a bag, and when I'm done with it, I throw it out. I don't throw it in the wind. I don't throw it in somebody else's place. I don't throw it on the floor in my place. I just don't throw garbage around. That's not what I do. I keep it clean. But there's garbage everywhere because people throw their garbage everywhere and they don't keep it clean, but I keep it clean, and I'm telling you a message right now. It's easier to maintain something. Habits are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. Just like with your body, the food that you eat, the way that you keep your body. I had a flat stomach 6 months ago. Now I don't. It's getting better and better every day in every way. Guess what? Before this, I lost 250 pounds. That was hard because habits are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. But once you do, woo, you can do anything. You just have to remember, habits are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. People are like, it's harder to maintain. No, it's not. It's not harder to maintain your body any harder than it is to maintain your house. Once you have the habits of putting everything in its place, keeping the nasty food out, keeping the nasty garbage out. Clean your house, keep the nasty garbage out, right? Just take it out. Put your garbage away when you get it, take it out. Put everything back where you got it, same thing. Once you get your body right and you have your habits, it's easier to maintain because the chains of habit are too light to be felt until they're too heavy to be broken. What was once your escape eventually becomes your prison. Just like any other habit. I'm talking about any habits in life. Because the chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. You can do anything you want to do, so just do it. Start your small habits now. Small habits lead to big wins, and you are worth it, and I'm here to help you win. Because my name is Liberty Justice. With my mind and my money on my mind, I'd do anything for you.